Good morning, and howdy y'all. The reason why I'm saying that is because, as you can see here, I just made it out to my good friend Melissa and Mario's house in Kerrville, Texas. Yep, for those of you guys that are watching my channel or watch my channel and are from Texas, I am in your hometown. We're here to do some filming. We're gonna be hanging out, barbecuing, possibly even shooting some guns. I mean, it is Texas, but the first thing that I want to do is hit some dirt, do some off-roading. Luckily, they do own, I believe it's 10-15 acres of land, so I'm gonna just go and explore, see what this place is all about, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Enough said, let's do some off-roading. A few of the reasons why I love, guys, and I mean I love coming out here is, well, aside from being able to get out of the house and away from the city mentality and just the city traffic and all that crazy stuff, is I get to hang out with Mario and Melissa. Not only that, but I get to do what I love, which is film for you guys, do some off-roading, do some install videos for other people, and just enjoy nature. I mean, honestly guys, I would even consider moving out here just because to be able to off-road in my backyard and shoot a bunch of content for you guys, and oh my god, it would just be a dream come true. Now, one of the pluses, and I mean it's a big plus, about visiting my good friends at Rago Fabrication is I get to see a lot of the stuff that is yet to be released. Some of the time they do put like sneak peeks on their Instagram, which I'll be posting down below in the bio. One of the sneak peeks is right behind me, and that is a 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma roof rack. I really can't show you guys a lot of the details, but if you guys want to see a close-up picture, go on their Instagram. You guys will get a solid idea of what it looks like. But I have it right behind me. I already saw it in person, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys are probably gonna go bananas for it, because it's probably gonna be one of the most functional modular roof racks for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma out in the market. I'm not gonna get too much into details because I'll probably get in trouble, but just stay tuned, follow them on Instagram, and enough said, we're gonna head back home and see what the day has for us. So before I shoot it, I wanna know exactly what I'm shooting, Mario.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We have a Savage 17 HMR, and we have a range here. Steel targets 128 yards, so it's about 8-inch, 9-inch drop at that distance.
Realistically, no big deal. I got this. I'm gonna hit it first time around.
It's an 8-inch circle, so it'll be very plausible. So I'm putting on 10 power. It's a 8-inch circle down there, and we have to adjust the parallax first to get the target into focus. It's like a camera. And this is our rear bag. I use it for shooting competitions, and just supports it to keep it steady. So you're basically gonna get down, get relaxed, take your finger off the trigger like this. You're gonna squeeze down here. It adjusts the rear, so you can square up. If I hit it, you'll hear it.
No, I'd rather you make sure it's correct. Yeah, and let me see, I'll talk to George and see how long it is.
There you go, look at that.
That's the bottom one, huh?
2 for 2.
What is up, guys? Good morning. We just made it out to Rago Fabrication out here in Texas. So I wanted to show you guys around. Most of you guys do know that I do have a lot of Rago Fabrication products on my truck, from sliders, the Molee panels, the lower control skids, the fuel skids, and I can keep going and going. So I've always wondered what this place looks like, and I figured, you know what, why not just make this video, show you guys around and see what this place is all about and where the magic happens. Enough said, let me show you guys around.